There are two ways to upload a video onto an Open Labyrinth case. The first is the most simple, but it doesn't always work, so I will show you both ways to do it. So here I am on the case that I want to edit. I'm in my video demo case, and on the left-hand side toolbar, I'm going to scroll down and find Files. And you can just upload a video in the same way that you would upload a picture. So go to Add Files and then select it from your desktop folder. So this way doesn't always work in my experience. Sometimes it gets to sort of 95% uploaded and then it will never complete the upload. If this happens to you, there is another way to upload a video. So what you need to have done already is uploaded a video onto YouTube. You can make it private on YouTube, so it's not searchable by the general public. It's only viewable if you have the access link to it, which you would do via an Open Labyrinth case. So it can still be private to your students if that's what you want. So to upload a YouTube video onto Open Labyrinth, what you need to do is choose the node that you want to put the video on. So I'm going to go via nodes. And I've decided that I want my video to appear on the progression of case node. I'm going to click edit, scroll up to the top where I've got my node content, and then I'm going to locate my video on YouTube. So I'm choosing this video, which is the bovine musculoskeletal exam, and that's actually hosted by the University of Nottingham. And what I need to do is go on to share. And this is where you can share your video, and we're actually looking for embed. So it's an embeddable code. I need to copy this entire code that it gives me, so Control C, and I can choose to start the video at a certain point if I want to, but I want it to start at the beginning, so that's fine. I now come off this page, back onto my Open Labyrinth case. Here I am in Node Content, and I go to Insert, then it comes up with Insert Video, which is what I want. And there are two tabs open here. There's the General tab, or there's the Embed. We've got an embed code, so we're going to click that. And then I'm going to Control V or paste my video code into here. I click OK and it comes up with this grey box like this. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save. And now I'm going to play my Open Labyrinth case and check that that video works. So on the left hand toolbar, click Play. Here's my introduction slide. I know the video is on progression of case, and here the video's appeared. If you play it, it will play as normal.